Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how to link your YouTube channel to vidIQ safely. I will guide you step by step. You will see it's very easy. Let's go. So the first thing you want to do is just go on vidIQ.com on any browser. Then you just want to sign in or sign up if you don't have any account yet. Just use a Google account like that and link your Google account. And then if you go to feed, you will see that you will be able to connect a YouTube channel using a Google account. So just click on connect your channel, then select the YouTube account you want. For me, it's this one, then this one. Then you just have to trust vidIQ using your YouTube channel. Don't worry, vidIQ is an extension that is 100% certified by YouTube, so you don't risk anything. And then you will just have to authorize YouTube using vidIQ. So just click on add new channel. The same step as before. Just click on continue like that. And then you should be all set. As you can see, I've just linked my YouTube channel. But before you leave, you can either use the free features that you can find on vidIQ, or you can upgrade for a paid plan that will allow you to use all the advanced features like AI title and description generators or AI thumbnail generators. And the last step, which is a really nice gift for you, is that you can find below this video a special vidIQ promo link that will allow you to get all the vidIQ functionalities for just $1 for the first month and test all the features directly on your own channel. You will see vidIQ has amazing features like title and description generators, AI thumbnail maker, which is really good. That's actually what I'm using on this channel. I can only recommend you vidIQ at 100%. It has helped me a lot since I started on YouTube, so don't hesitate and try it out. Bye.